Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to yet another video of the Football Mania, the one stop platform where you can get all the latest news and updates about the beautiful game. And the world would have been beautiful if we had one of the best players in the world still with a contract. And unfortunately, due to some mismanagement and some different strategies which FC Barcelona have adopted, we see Lionel Messi out of a contract. And soon after his Copa America win, he went on a holiday, basking in the beach under the sun. And this was something which he like wanted to. This was his right. They have won the Copa America. Wow, everything is brilliant. Looks fine on paper. But the real Barcelona fans and world football fans are still anxious about his new deal. And still, we have not seen FC Barcelona actually offloading a few players so that they can accommodate the salary cap, and they already have an issue. They have reduced their wage bill by almost 50%, and currently it stands on 138 billion euros. If you consider, any team which is having so much financial power, with the current financial fair play regulations, they could have, sorted things out. They were still waiting for offers from other clubs to sell players. However, nothing has, formally come in. And their club president, Joan Laporta, is a very busy man. Even in the unveiling of Memphis Depay the other day, he mentioned that this will be a very busy 2 weeks in the upcoming transfer window. And if Barcelona fail to register Messi for the new season, it will be curtains. It will mean that Messi cannot play for another 4 months. He can only resume playing in January. So this is part of the contract, and this will be something which nobody would really expect. A player of Messi's caliber and class is someone who can light up any football pitch in the world. And if we are having to see such a you know tragic situation with this club, we can just imagine how these people are actually foreseeing their future. Messi is, we had rumors coming in that he might go to Paris Saint-Germain, or he might even land up at Manchester City. But it is a very very delicate situation which Barcelona has to handle well. And over the years, their transfer policy has you know hit them hard, and that has been the critical factor behind their own failures to not able to close the deals down. And Philip Coutinho is a prime example. He came from Liverpool, and after that he went on loan to Bayern Munich, and even after coming back, he's not been getting the chances. So why keep him? They have so many players: Usman Dembele, Antoine Griezmann in the attack. They have Aguero, Depay, Brathwaite. You have the likes of the young players who are again coming in. So it's a very very delicate situation. Ansu Fati, another player who was injured and is promising. And how will they renew the contracts of certain players who definitely have taken a wage reduction, and they are ready to sacrifice their money for the better of the club? It's so desperate for Barcelona, and I foresee a very, very, different approach. Do you guys really feel that Barcelona is the right club for any player right now, with the financial situation and lot of factors which they have to deal with? Do you really think Messi, out of all people, will be, having the issue which he is having? He won't be able to play football if for the next 4 5 months. We won't be able to see the magic once again. It's going to be a very very tricky period, and I expect them to be more proactive. now that we are coming towards the fag end of the transfer window, there are a lot of changes and shuffling which has to happen. And even Ronald Koeman has, stayed firm on his decision and his approach, saying that Messi will sign a new contract. However, that day hasn't come yet. And we all know that until deadline day, anything can happen in this crazy transfer market, especially when we know that everyone are up to date with social media. Everyone gets the information so fast, and all the rumors get leaked out. All the media personnel are after clubs to get the insider information, and nothing becomes certain until we get some official news from the clubs. Still, we have to wait and watch what happens with Messi. And if you all really feel that Messi will finally sign a new contract, this is we all understand his beloved club, which has turned him from a boy to a man, and he has done so many wonderful things for this great club. So it will be a really tricky period. And guys, if you really feel that this transfer window will end up as a positive for Barcelona, please drop in your comments. And if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and I will see you next time. So until then, stay safe and take care.